ខ្ញុំចាប់ការងារក្រុមហ៊ុនខ្ញុំបរិស្ថាននេះខ្ញុំបានមួយឆ្នាំហើយព្រោះមកពីមុនមកខ្ញុំរកអេតចាយប្តីខ្ញុំក៏រកអេតចាយខ្ញុំក៏រកអេតចាយ
Sevea is a consulting company working in developing countries and striving for all the actors that are trying to bring a new economy that is more respectful of human and nature.
Naga Earth is a non-profit social enterprise. We're working on environmental projects and children's hygiene projects. The main activity of Naga Earth is recycling, and our biggest recycling project is recycling used cooking oil. So the idea of setting up the project in Siem Reap, one of the reasons we do it here is because it's a place where we're able to collect oil and turn it back into biodiesel.
Hay cô thà rôm khnia tầng ong mà rôm chạ rôm khnia phơ tầng ong mình tham ca nghi ấy tệ
ហើយបេសកកម្មរបស់ SGRV គឺផលិតធ្យូងអនាម័យដែលជាធ្យូងមួយប្រភេទផលិតចេញពីកាកសំណល់សរីរាង្គសុទ្ធ 100% មានដូចជាសបកដូងសបកត្នោតសបកទុរេនតងដូងកាអំពើស្នូលពោតជាដើមអញ្ចឹងវត្ថុធាតុដើមទាំងអស់នោះហើយដែលគេយើងយកមកធ្វើជាធ្យូងអនាម័យដើម្បីជំនួសនៅធ្យូងធម្មជាតិក្រុមហ៊ុនធ្យូងបរិស្ថាននេះបានផ្ដល់ជីវភាពល្អដល់គ្រួសារខ្ញុំហើយបានផ្ដល់ប្រាក់ខែដូចជារាល់ខែមិនឲ្យដូចកាលពីការរកអេតចាយហើយបានកូនរៀនពេញលេញ
What we realized was that with our experience we could really bring added value to the social enterprises through operational support. We are working for the company, within the company, really looking at their problems and solving them on a day-to-day basis.
ចំណុចនេះដែរខ្ញុំមានការសប្បាយចិត្តខ្ញុំបានសហការជាមួយនឹង Sevea គាត់បានមក intern នៅ ICFE មួយរយៈដែរអញ្ចឹងគាត់បានជួយផ្នែកនៅខាងផលិតកម្មអញ្ចឹងតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការគ្រប់គ្រងទៅលើវត្ថុធាតុដើមតាក់ទងទៅនឹងការគ្រប់គ្រងទិន្នន័យទៅលើថ្លៃដើមនៃវត្ថុធាតុដើមជាមួយនឹងឬក៏ទិន្នន័យផ្សេងទៀតដូចជាការគ្រប់គ្រង accounting មួយចំណែកដែរ
Sevea has been a very good partner of Naga Earth, and they've helped to recruit technical people, technical help, engineers, engineering students that can come help us with all facets of our operation.
To move forward, Sevea needs to act in 3 different ways. The first one is to keep supporting the social enterprises we are already supporting, like SGFE in Phnom Penh or Naga Earth in Siem Reap. The second way is to keep striving for the development of these ecosystems around the social enterprises. The third way is to strive for the development of the next generation of change makers that really want to act with the same values that we share.
The more we're able to work together and work with the other groups, the more successful we have a chance to be.